Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP account tutorial. We're going to cover in this guide how to create a new account. So let's go ahead, let's pull up the account page. And so first thing you want to do is select the account type. As you can see, there's a few options for you to choose from. Let's go ahead and make a bank account. I'm going to put in the account name. And I can put in a description here. And I can add a general ledger code here. Just going to put that in. If this account is a sub account, you can tick this off and select a sub account, or rather a parent account. Let's go ahead, select the currency of this account now. If there's a opening balance for this account, you can enter it here and the date and the entity if you want to associate with it with anything. And basically what that'll do is that'll generate a journal entry, and that way you have an opening balance for this account. So let's go ahead, save this account now. Click save, okay. And the account has been created.